What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna cover a few things. We're gonna cover a couple newbie and beginner plays. That way you guys got something to pay attention to come Monday. And also we're gonna cover a few different setups that we seen on Friday. And that way, when you see these setups develop, you are able to pounce and jump in. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification, all right? Let's go ahead and jump into that first ticker for the newbies. We're gonna start it off with SoFi. You see SoFi had that pop right at closing, but you see they just was flat the whole day, and then right at closing, you know what happened in Power Hour? Boom, they popped that thing up. They're sitting at 10.20 right now. If you are a bull, want to see 1030 get knocked out. They can knock out 1030. They ready to start trying to boom this thing back up to this area in here, 250, before they start running and trying to look for the $11 range. If you are a bear, you want to see them get back down to these bottoms right here around 10 even. They can break through 10 even. They're going to start bringing this thing back down to 990 before they start hitting these levels down here around 980 and trying to break down to 960 before it's trying to head back down to come see those $9 even levels. All right, next ticker up. A lot of requests for me to start adding Walmart back to the list. Guys, I heard you. I added it back on. Here we go. Walmart, they're sitting at 81.30. If you see, they had that little run up. Boom, they popped it up right there and then came down and then was pretty much flat right here. You are a bull. What you want to see is 81.40 get taken out. They can take out 81.40. They got these tops at 81.70 before they start heading to the $82 range. If you are a bear, you want to see 81.20 get taken out first. You start seeing that, this level right here at 81.10. They break through that, they coming back down to these bottoms in here. As you see where they bottomed out at, they did it here and they bounce back up. If the bull's gonna try to run it back up, look for that run up around 80.65. So there you go with Walmart. And last but not least, for you newbies, BA. This is another ticker that moves a little faster than SoFi, moves a little faster than Walmart. If you got a little extra money and you want that little fast life like what SPY will give you, BA is one that you can make money in. They're sitting at 155 even. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops at 155 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they come into 156.30 and they're going to try to run to these tops up in here at 157.10. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 154.35 get taken out. Ultimately, you want to see that right there, 153.90 break. They break that, hello, they coming back down to the lower stuff. That's a few tickers for you newbies and beginners to get a head start on. I am not going to throw any plays for you big ballers out there, the newbies and beginners. We want to give them a couple extra days to study these plays. That way they can get to that level where the big baller shot callers are at and they can start playing those plays. You big baller shot callers, y'all good on Sunday. I got you. I'll throw out you guys' plays and levels then, because I know Monday morning you're going to be already feasting and ready to jump in, and you are able to identify plays just a little bit better than these guys that's just jumping in. I got to show love to everybody, newbies, big ballers, everybody. I'm out here trying to spread the love, but newbies and beginners, I got y'all. Guys, next thing we're going to jump into, we're going to talk about double top patterns. A double top pattern, definition, formation, what it indicates, parts and traders thought. We ain't going to get that far into it, but as you see on the screen, we got a double top pattern. You got the one top and then you got the two top, and you see where the price drops. Once it hits that neckline, it falls off the map. A double top pattern is a price chart candlestick formation that signals an extreme bearish trend reversal. A double top candlestick pattern forms when the price of an asset reaches a high for the second time consecutively, with a decline between the two highs. A strong and prolonged market decline usually follows a double top pattern. Guys, we're going to go ahead and jump back in the charts and show you a few things that we spotted. Let's go to Apple. And guys, they're not going to be picture perfect like what you just saw. What I look for when I'm looking for a double top, I'm looking for a M formation, something that kind of resembles a M. As you see, they ran up, boom, they stopped right in here. They came down. That's your starting of an M. It came back up, and I'm looking. I'm like, all right, they keep getting rejected. You got this next candle. It tried to push up. It couldn't. Next one tried to push up. It couldn't. Next candle, it tried. Let me blow it up a little bit. You see, it tried to run up. It kept getting smacked down right there. You got your neck in here. And then what happens after that? Boom, it hit that neckline right in here, and boom, kept trying to come back up. Boom, kept coming back down. These things aren't going to be picture perfect like the picture that was illustrated, but when you see these things, you already draw your trend lines out there and see if they keep getting rejected right there, you done already had the middle form and the pounce. That's an Apple. Next ticker that I saw it in the SPY. If we go to the SPY, as you see, I don't even have to blow this thing up. You can look at the chart and see where you had that run up to start the M. You got the first line up, and then what happened? They come back down in here, create this middle piece, what they call the neckline. We went back up, and you see they start getting rejected right in here. They couldn't. They tried to push up, got smacked down. Tried to push up, got smacked back down. And here you go. You in that neckline, and what happened? Boom! They came all the way back down. Another ticker that I saw it in. I saw it in QQQs. And QQQ is another favorite that everybody is paying attention to and starting to grind and make money in those plays. But again, it ain't going to be picture perfect, but you can see a couple different M's in here. If we slow this thing down, you see the run up, you see it form that little middle piece line, and you see it run up again. It created a double top. And guys, another pattern that you can see why that double top is trying to form. What do you see right here? Our famous tweezer tops. What happened? Boom. And this should help you confirm when you see a double top. You already got the run up. You got the neck trying to form. You got the run up again. As if you even got in your mind, oh man, I think this is a double top. You looking for that tweezer top. You see it form right here. You should already know what's ready to happen. Boom. They ran that thing back down. And if you really executing on the tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms that I've been coaching out, you see it form right here. You know that's time to get out of this play, because what happened? They running back up, and as you see, this one not picture perfect, but it formed that M formation. It ran up, came down. That's your neckline in here. It kind of overshot it, but what happened? It ran it back up. You got the tops here, got the top here, even though they overshot it, but you can still draw your trend line right through here, and you know what's ready to happen. Boom. Let me see if it's a tweezer top that where you could have got in at right here. Tweezer tops right here. Boom. Came back down, and you see this is time to get out. This is the Mayday flag. Mayday, Mayday, tweezer bottom. Boom. Ran that thing back up. And guys, you know, we call this, look at this right here. QQQ, do y'all see this goblin? Who knows what this setup is? We will cover this weekend another profitable setup to make money. And as you see that goblin. You see the run up, you see the top, and what happens? Boom, they ran that thing down. Guys, none of these plays are going to be picture perfect. It's not going to form that beautiful M or this one that's illustrated. Wall Street is not going to give it to you that easy. You know, that's why you have to put in the work. You have to put in the time, the dedication, and study these plays. So that way, soon as you see it, you sitting back and you saying, man, you know what? Fresh done taught me on this right here. I done did my research. I know what's ready to happen. And as soon as it violate that area, I'm jumping in. I'm ready to press the button. I'm getting in. So guys, I just wanted to give you something else. Another tool, another play that you can add to your arsenal. But hey, Guys, I done took enough of your time, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.